Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself, but if you see me leaning forward like this just very casually, it's because I have an ice pack right here because I fell down the stairs like 20 minutes ago. I'm doing fine, just a little bit sore. I definitely banged up my elbow and fell on me behind, but everything else is okay. I'm just incredibly clumsy. Alrighty, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the box of the day. Now this is a little bit sad because I've read on mysubscriptionaddiction.com that this will be the very last Nylon box ever. And this is actually December's box because I forgot to unbox it. I saw in there that they are not going to be doing this anymore after the December box, so this right here will be my last unboxing of Nylon ever, which is very sad. Unless I am completely wrong and that article is completely wrong, then it might not be. We'll see. Let's go ahead and get into this box. So this is a box based on the Nylon magazine, and I think they got rid of their paper magazine a little while back as well. This box is $20. I think it's a little bit pricier than your $10 Ipsy or Birch boxes and things like that. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. Oh yeah, we have a new shelf and I hung it all by myself, by the way, so at any point of time it could come crashing down to the floor, so if that happens, I'm very sorry. Alrighty, so the Nylon box is a box inside of a box, and I guess all the information I'm telling you guys about this probably doesn't even matter if they're never making this box again, but I do like that they have pretty shiny hollow writing on the front. That's good. Alrighty, inside we have some pretty nylon paper, and right off the bat we have some very interesting things in this box. I'm just gonna go ahead and go for the first thing that is catching my eye, which is this pair of sunglasses. These are very interesting. Is this a look? I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't know if my very large head is suited for these bug-eyed green sunglasses, but you know, some people might be able to pull these off. I just don't know if I can. These are from Nevermind, and they are very interestingly green, very rounded, but almost like a little oval cat eye here going on. Pair of sunglasses. They do have a nice sturdy feel to them, so they don't feel too chintzy or anything. I am, however, noticing that all the little components here on the edges are made out of plastic, so they probably aren't, the most high quality sunglasses ever, but I can see a person who's really fashionable being able to pull these off in some way, aka not me. The next thing in the box here is from Milk and Sass. This is a detangling hairbrush and compact mirror. This is super duper handy to have in a purse or something like that to carry with you. You have a brush and a mirror, two things I definitely have to have with me at all times, and it's also in the shape of a macaron, macaron, if I'm saying that correctly. I might not be. I have actually recently got into making macarons. It's a very long, arduous process, but I watched Red Banger do it and she just had the worst time ever. I hate it. For some reason I was like, I too want to put myself through that much pain and try to make these little French cookies, and I've actually been enjoying it. But the little French cookie that I received is this really pretty pale purple, and then when you twist it open, you have your brush on this side and a mirror on this side. And this actually looks very similar to a little thing that I use in the shower to really scrub up my scalp, but I can definitely see how this would be a nice little handy detangling brush to have. Alrighty, next up I have something from Henny, I don't know, there's an accent on that end E, so I'm sure I'm not saying this right either, but this is Henny Organics. It is a luxury lip tint in the shade Intrigue. Ooh, okay, this is a super pretty color. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little swatch here. I also like how it's swatched on the skin. It is a lip tint, so it's not going to be super pigmented or anything, but I'm liking this kind of burnt rose color. It did also apply pretty smoothly, and I feel like it would be really soothing on the lips, so maybe instead of a chapstick, you could throw this on to give yourself a little color on the lips. Ooh, okay, next up I'm actually really excited about this, not because it's wrapped in bubble wrap, I mean that helps a little bit, but this is from Elizabeth and James, and this is the Nirvana Black, and I've been wanting to test out this perfume for a while now, but I've just never gotten around to it. And I really like that this is in kind of a larger sample size. It's not your standard little squirt bottle inside of a folded up cardboard piece. This is something that is cute and little, but I could actually set it out amongst the rest of my perfumes. And it's also a roller ball. Fascinating. Ooh, this is a very like warm, spicy scent. It's a little bit masculine. I like to pretend I'm a perfume expert in my spare time. I personally enjoy it. I really like deep, rich, warm scents. So for me, this is something that is nice. If you prefer like lighter, more like florally or powdery scents, I definitely don't think this is for you, but for me, I'm enjoying it so far. I'll see how it wears throughout the rest of the evening here. Alrighty, next up we have another bubble wrapped package, and I believe these are nail polishes, and I am currently in a desperate need for some nail polish. These nails are horrid. Oh, look at that. That's really adorable. So it's actually two little nail polishes in one like cap together. Super duper cute. So this is from Meg, and this is a twin nail, and I have the shades Icy Cloud. So like this is icy and this is cloud, but together it is Icy Cloud. So this is a very interesting color combination here. We have kind of a grayish blue cloud color, and then over here we have a like very, very glittery gold and blue and purple fleck. This is really cute, and I'll definitely be giving this a go. Alrighty, next up in here we have something from Bio Republic Skincare, and this is a green tea detox purifying fiber mask. Always interested in getting masks and trying them out. I have a basket of masks that I still need to test out, so it'll probably be added to the basket for a little bit, but I will give it a shot. Alrighty, the last thing we have in here are these boomerangs, and give me 1 second while I figure out what these are. It looks like they are eye patches. Oh, okay, so these are eye patches for dark circles below your eyes, and that is really cool. Sometimes I definitely do get some pretty intensely dark circles around my eyes, especially if I'm not sleeping well. This is interesting though. It says that you're supposed to moisturize, do your normal skincare regime, peel these off, apply it to your eyeballs for 15 to 20 minutes, but then it says that these are reusable, so you can rinse them off and store them back and reuse them over a few times. But the only thing I'm wondering is if like the skincare mechanism is actually inside this like gel here, or if you're applying your own skincare and this is like making it absorb better or something. I don't know. It doesn't really say what the ingredients are on here or anything, so I'm not really sure like what's supposed to be happening. But they are from Nylon Beauty, and it is the Opus Renew. So very interesting. Patent pending, by the way. And then the final thing in here is a little coupon code for Clarisonic and Nylon. You can get 15% off any device and a free gift if you use the code Nylon at checkout. Absolutely not sponsored. Alrighty guys, that was everything in our very last Nylon box ever. I really wish I had seen that article before, like, you know, now, so that I could have done this review in case you guys just really, really wanted this box. And again, I'm not 100% sure if that like article I saw was entirely accurate. I didn't really see an email or anything from Nylon, but I have like 50,000 unread emails in my email little box. Well, with 3 seconds of Googling, I could have answered that question on my own, and this is from the Nylon website, and it says, the Nylon shop has closed. Thanks for being loyal Nylon shop customers over the years, but now it is time to say goodbye. December will be the last month for Nylon box. So it is true, this will be the very last, this will be the very last box that we do together for Nylon. I did think it was a very interesting subscription box. Definitely a little bit different than any other subscriptions that we received on this channel. Oh, stickers! Oh man, typically in Nylon boxes they give you stickers, and I'm like a child and I had a planner full of stickers that I had gotten from Nylon and like stuck on there, but that is okay. Anyway, I'm very sorry that this review is a little bit late and you cannot even get this box anymore, so it seems very pointless, but I did want to unbox it with you guys since it is the very last one. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Plus don't forget that we do have our January giveaway going on right now. I will link that down below for you guys in the description. And other than that, I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! How deep is your hollow? Is it like the ocean? Rainbow's motion?